Apple. Let's see. Apple to the upside, 181.66. To the downside, this 180.18. AMD getting a pop here pre-market. I'd like to see it actually up here. 136.77. Because this 136.24 is the critical level where it already was. But I think we can get into this one a little bit early if it fades. So upside 136.77, downside 135.64. Amazon. Amazon above 144.65 or below 143.81. Google, 138.34 upside, 137.50 downside. Mara, 26.24 up, 25.51 down. Meta. So again, if you guys are listening, you're making money, right? Meta, 347 up, 345.38 down. I know it's a huge gap. Microsoft, 369.18 up, 367.77 down. Netflix. I actually like where Netflix is at right here. The way it stayed up in this channel high yesterday, I actually like it. Netflix, 479.07 up. I think we can get in this one too right here. 474.50 down. Same thing with NVIDIA, staying up strong. So NVIDIA, right, massive drop, and then it stayed up all day. Notice it kept bouncing on VWAP, but it stayed up all day. That's really good. Wow, NVIDIA's right here. It might break this early. 483.36 up. 481.50. The Qs. 396.38 up. 394.50 down. Soxel. Soxel, 25.68 up. 25.14 down. SPY. 467. Hold on. 467.63 up. 465.73 down.